In the music of the wind, we heard whispered news of a progressive movement in early childhood education, where children flourish in enriched environments, connected to the natural world and supported by their extended community. So we visited early childhood learning centres around the country to find out if this was true.
Gift from Papa Tunuku, this beautiful apple.
Thank you, Papa Tunuku.
They'll be able to actually know that I don't go and buy an apple from the supermarket. I can actually plant a tree and that's where it comes from.
It's very much about kindergarten, which means the garden of children. So we have that metaphor of children growing and being nurtured and flourishing.